The court hearing for Eric Hovde's lawsuit against several local television networks is scheduled to be heard now on January 2nd. That's one day before the new Congress is set to take office. The lawsuit stems from an advertisement championed by a political action committee by the name of Win Senate. As we first alerted you, Hovde filed the defamation lawsuit at Brown County Court back in August. Win Senate reportedly received a cease and desist letter in June. The PAC responded, arguing that the ad made the claims about Hovde rigging the system to make money and sheltering his wealth in tax havens was accurate. The lawsuit says the ad was not pulled from the airwaves, and the names Gray, our parent company, Nexstar, Evening Telegram, Sinclair, Fox, Ion, and Scripps as media defendants. From the first